Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 4th lesson linear equations in two variables exercise 4.1. See beta, first question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of the pen. Write the linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Okay, this statement we will write in linear equation form. We have to write. Here is given the clue. Take the cost of the notebook, you have to take x, and pen cost we will take y. So I am writing here, let the cost of the notebook be x, let the cost of the pen be y. But here what is the statement is there? The cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. See here what is there? Notebook and pen. Okay, compared to pen, notebook is the twice. Notebook means x, pen means y. Okay, see here. Now what is there? See here, notebook cost compared to pen, this is only more. Notebook only cost more is there. Okay, so we want to equal balance. Equal balance means it is twice. Twice means which side we will take, this side double or this side double, confused. See here, pen cost, notebook cost more is there, but we will take pen side double. Why means now it will be balance. Okay, I will give one example also. See here, here pen cost 5. Okay, notebook cost double is there, we will take 10. Okay, now you want balance. Actually, this is only double is there, but equal is there. We want to equalize means which side you will take double, this side you will take. Now see here, 10 equal to 10. Okay, now see here. Otherwise, one more example shall I give? Notebook cost, pen cost 10 rupees is there. So, notebook cost double. Double means 20 rupees. 20 rupees means, see here, both you want equal. Equal means which side you will multiply? This side. Actually, this is only double is there, but we will take equal want means we will take this side double. So, x, y. This is the notebook, this is the pen. So, we have to equalize means which side you will take double, this side you will take double. Okay, are you clear? So, here I am writing, see, notebook means I am taking x. Pen means I am taking y. Actually, notebook only double is there, but we will take which side double? This side we will take a double. So, now we will take in this form, ax plus by plus c form we have to write. So, this one you take this side, plus 2y after before is equal to minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay, now we will move to second question. See, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicates the values of a, b, c in each other. Okay, this equation we have to write which form? Ax plus by plus c form. And again, what is the a we have to write? What is the b we have to write? What is the c we have to write? Carefully see here. I am writing this one. I am taking this side. 2x plus 3y. This number you take this side, minus happen. Minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Now this is in ax plus by plus c is equal to c form is there. In this one you have to write what is the a, what is the b, what is the c. See here, a means 2. A is equal to 2. Next, b means what? 3. B is equal to 3. Next, c means what? C is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Every question we will do like this only. Ax plus by plus c form we will have to write. And what is the a, what is the b, what is the c, right? That's it, okay? See here, this one I am writing. See, this is already ax plus by plus c form only is there. So, now write here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. See, Baba, what is the a? Here nothing means what? 1. So, a is equal to what? 1. Next, b is equal to, see here, b is equal to here nothing number means what? 1. So, minus 1 by 5 is the answer. See here, b means here no number means it is the 1. Minus 1 by 5 is the answer. Next, c is equal to minus 10 is the answer. Okay. Now, third question. See here, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This 6 we will take this side. See here, minus 2x plus 3y, take this side, minus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is ax plus by plus c form is there. So now you write here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you can write what is the a, what is the b, what is the c. See here, a is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 2. Next, b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. C is equal to minus 6 is the answer. Okay, now we will come this sum. Okay, see here. Confuse is there means we will take here line. Now see here. See here, fourth sum. X is equal to 3y. We will take this side. X minus 3y. Here ax plus by plus c not there means what we will take? Plus 0 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now I am writing ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, see here. Now a means what? 1. A is equal to, here no number means what is the number? 1 is the number. Next, b is equal to minus 3 is the answer. Next, c is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay, now we will come this side. See here. Next, I'll take here. Now we will do this sum. 2x minus 5y. Okay, this one we will take this side. 2x minus 5 before is equal to plus 5. Ax plus by plus c not there. So what you will take? 0 is equal to 0. So now this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form is there. In this one we will write what is the a, what is the b, what is the c. See Papa, a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Next, b is equal to 5. C is equal to, C value is the 0. Finish. Now see here. Sixth question we will do. See 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now see here, ax plus by not there. So how I am writing? Ax plus b nothing means what you will take? 0y. Ax plus by. 0 into y, again you will get 0 only. So ax plus by plus 2 is equal to 0. See here, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now this is which form is there? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now see here, a is equal to what is the answer? 3 answer. B is equal to 0 answer. Next, C is equal to 2 answer. Are you clear? Every question like this only. This is very easy lesson. Now see here. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Ax not there. So ax not there means what we will take? 0x we will take. 0 into x, again you will get 0 only. Ax. Next, by. By means y minus 2 is equal to 0. So now this is in which form is there? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A means what? 0. Now you can write a is equal to 0. Next, b is equal to, here no number backside means what is the answer? 1 answer. Next, c is equal to, c value is the minus 2 is the answer. Now this question, see 5x is equal to 2x. Now see here, you take this number this side, minus 2x it's become, ax is there, plus 2x you are taking this side means minus 2x. By not there, so what you will take? 0y. 0 into y, again 0 only. Ax plus by plus c, 5. 5 same place is there, not change the symbol, same place. It is not after is equal to, it is same place only is there. So it is a 5 only. So this one we are taking this side of minus 2x, by not there. So you will take 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. So now this is in the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the a value? A is equal to minus 2. B value is the 0. B is equal to 0. C value, what is the C value? C value is equal to 5. So in this bit only 2 questions are there. This bit almost the same style is there. So again you have any doubt also, comment it. Subscribe my channel.